Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your SEO game to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share my personal experience with Rank Ninja, the SEO tool that promises to boost your search rankings. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and let me tell you, the results have been interesting. I'll break down everything for you, from the features to the results. And stick around, because I've got a special bonus point that you don't want to miss at the end. Let's start with my first impressions when I got access to Rank Ninja. It's super easy to sign up, which is a huge plus if you're new to SEO tools. You don't want to waste time figuring out how to use it. As soon as I logged in, the dashboard was clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. I love when a tool doesn't overwhelm you with information, but still provides everything you need right at your fingertips. If you're like me and don't want to spend hours learning how to use an SEO tool, this is a great start. Now, let's talk about the features that really stood out to me. Rank Ninja provides keyword analysis, on-page SEO suggestions, and even backlink strategies. The keyword analysis was a game-changer. I was able to identify keywords I didn't even know existed, which led to better targeted content. The on-page SEO feature is fantastic, especially if you want to improve your blog posts or product pages. It gives you real-time suggestions on how to optimize your pages for Google's algorithms. And then there's the backlink feature. If you've ever done SEO, you know backlinks are crucial for ranking. Rank Ninja shows you where your site needs backlinks and even gives you tips on how to build them effectively. But wait, that's not all. Keep watching, because I'll reveal how these features actually worked for my website. All right, now the fun part, the results. So, I started using Rank Ninja 2 weeks ago on one of my websites. I implemented the keyword suggestions and made adjustments to my content based on the on-page SEO tips. I also worked on improving my backlinks using the tool's guidance. Here's the crazy thing. I started seeing results pretty quickly. In just 1 week, my website saw an increase in traffic. I'm not talking about a huge jump, but it was definitely noticeable. By week 2, my site's ranking on Google started improving for some of the keywords Rank Ninja suggested. Now, I don't know about you, but seeing real progress that quickly is pretty impressive. I'll tell you, I've tried other SEO tools before, but this was the fastest I've seen results. Now, here's the bonus point I promised you. When you use Rank Ninja, not only does it help you with SEO, but it also has an amazing support team. If you've ever had to deal with an SEO tool that doesn't respond to your questions, you'll know how frustrating it can be. Rank Ninja's support team is quick, friendly, and actually helps you understand the tool better. So, if you run into any issues, you won't be left stranded. That, for me, was the cherry on top. So, after using Rank Ninja for 2 weeks, here's my final take. It's a solid SEO tool. If you're serious about improving your search rankings and don't want to spend hours figuring out complicated software, Rank Ninja is definitely worth checking out. If you want to give Rank Ninja a try, I've got an exclusive link for you. Check it out in the description below and start boosting your SEO today. And hey, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'm happy to chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.